Indeed.com and getting job details from Indeed.com, saving it to a collection, and that's what our previous exercise was dealing about. So let me know if you have any questions or doubts or issues that you have faced in doing the exercise, and I would like to have a look into your exercise and see how you have approached the automation program, and I'll recommend different or slight changes to it if that's necessary. So first of all, the questions, let me know if you have any.
Yeah, Raj, I did try it on my end. The first issue which I was facing when I tried to do the after the three jobs for job openings, when I tried to automate the fourth and the fifth one, I was able to capture the element, but I had to scroll down. So when I tried reading it, that particular element, it was throwing me error that it could not search the results. So could you help me with that part? Because I think so it
Okay,
was the
yeah.
scrolling part. I think because I had to scroll when I was trying to capture the element. So I think so when it's loading that page, those elements are not visible for that particular
You and Radha,
duration.
I have some issues.
Uh,
All right, okay, I got that. So we are using HTML mode, and that actually doesn't require it to be visible. Even though you minimize your web browser, HTML mode is supposed to work. So that won't be actual cause of it. And let me see. Can you share your screen, please?
yeah, sure.
And also, can you show me that error while you get during the runtime so that I can check what's happening?
Mm, Raj, can you make me presenter?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it. Hold on for a second. Yeah, I have made you the presenter. Try now.
Okay, okay.
So once going through all of your exercises, we'll make this exercise a little more complex so that you get to know more about collections, how you can send values from collection to the websites, getting values from the websites back to the collection. So you get thorough with the web automation as well as the collection part, which is important. And yeah, so next will be a couple of bit complex exercise which I'll explain you after going through all of your homeworks.
Raj, can you see my screen?
Anuradha, is it running? Yeah,
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
screen, is it running now?
Uh, am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. So when I wait, let me application. Yeah. I was able to capture till 4:1. This one.
Okay.
See, here I have to scroll down and then capture this Nalasha solutions. So when I tried to automate, it was throwing me an error. Let me try to capture it. Uh, okay, I'll try. Wait, I'll try to read it now. Sorry, I removed it because it was giving me error. So I tried it for the first two values only.
Okay, no problem with that.
And it wasn't working maybe for the collection part as well. So I had problem there also. It was able to store, but it was giving me error.
Okay. So now what you're actually trying to do is that the store
I'm trying to
everything. Yeah.
yeah, in the reader. So the basic doubt which I wanted to ask here as well was when I'm trying to read this for one particular value, it's getting stored. But when I'm trying to capture more than two, three labels, means more than two, three job openings and their details. So it's not working. It's just storing first value only. So I'm not sure where I'm going wrong.
Yes, Anuradha. So let me make this more clear. So the first one is label one job title, and you are reading it to a data item job title. So the value comes to the job
Yeah.
title. Next is you are
Mm-hmm.
reading label three job title, and you are storing the value to the same data item, which will override the previous one. And next you are reading label 3 company name, and you may be trying to store it in job title itself, which will again override it. so
No,
so
no.
so
In
yeah.
I've created one data item company name to store the company name.
Yeah, so now you have two data item, but you are reading five different jobs, and you are storing it
Uh,
into one data item, which will eventually override one another. So you will get
Actually,
only one job
I
title at the end.
I tried do one logic, but I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. Maybe you can guide me here. Let me open my object C. Wait. I have added one multi-calculation stage, and here I have the value which I'm trying to store in that data item. Then I'm trying to store it in collection, which I have created job opening details, and and I have created one the company name which uh, sorry, I didn't get you. Raj, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, I'm listening to you.
Okay. Then I create the data item which I have created for company name. I'm storing its value in the job openings company name, and then I have added one counter to increase the value as it keeps on reading the first, second, and third. So is this logic right? I'm not sure how, because it's overwriting every time I'm trying to run this process.
Yes, it's because can you move the wizard or the properties, or can you close the properties for now?
Yeah, sure. I close it.
Okay, I am not able to see any loops over there. So maybe it's writing in the collection in the first row. So if you're not using the loops, it keeps on writing only on the first row. First row value keeps on overwriting it.
Oh, if I
So
add the loops, so where should I? It would be added above the read job title, right? The loop would be read job
yeah,
title would be under a
yes,
loop. You mean to say? Okay. So I need to add a loop stage here.
like that. And another, you have to put a loop on top of the first part of the loop will come above the read job title and
Mm-hmm.
company name, and then the second part will come down the decision stage. All right.
Before
So
terminate.
so
Okay.
yeah. So what you have to do is that you have to keep writing to a temporary data item and then save it in the collection.
Okay. So is this multi-calculation stage, is it correct or do I need to remove it?
It is correct. You cannot store it directly to the collection. You just store it to a data item. Just create a 5 different data items to store 5 different jobs, and
Okay.
then move it to the collection. Just move it to the collection and
Mm-hmm.
then loop through it. Yep. So it's quite tricky. So I'm showing this exercise because first you have to go through the hard way, then I'll teach you the easier way to do this. So now you're trying to capture 5 different jobs. So what if you have 1,000 job listings and you cannot sit and spy all 1,000 jobs? So I'll show you an easier way to go through jobs one by one. So first we go through the hard way for 5 different jobs, then we'll see the easier part. All right, so
Okay.
try adding the loop and check whether you can put values into the collection, or you just do one thing, you just try to put it into the data item for now, and let's discuss the new method and we'll do it. All right.
So, just want to confirm. So, five different data items for five different job details, right?
Yeah,
And
yes.
then I can, okay, I'll try it then.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay. Thanks,
yeah.
Raj.
Just yeah. All right, no problem. So all we have to do over here is just to familiarize with the writing, reading, and the button click and everything. So yeah, collections and loops we have already worked on it. So I'll give you another example right now after going through all the exercise so that you get more used to it. And after this, we'll discuss how to go through or how to extract 1,000 jobs or more than that. Another just to check whether just to practice read and write operations, nothing more than that. All right.
Okay. Okay. Can I make you the presenter again?
Yeah, you have to make me the presenter back.
Okay.
All right, let's go back to Arun. Arun, can we look at your solution if that's ready, or do you need more time in doing that? Let me know.
Actually, I had not tried because due to this Diwali holiday, the guests were there, so I could not attempt it.
Okay, no problem. Please find some time today or tomorrow and try to finish it so that we can move along in a uniform manner. No problem, Arun.
Because Saturday class
Yep.
also I was not able to attend, so I had to review it.
Okay, fine. All right. And attendees. Naveen, uh, is it ready so that we can have a look at it, or you need still more time for that?
Uh, Raj, actually, my Blue Prism tool is not activated still. Just I am facing some issues, and I have got the solution from the vendor few minutes ago. Just I will try with that solution. I will present you by tomorrow or day after tomorrow with that exercise.
All right. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty hard news because today we have a couple more exercises to do. Mm, all right.
I'm also
Okay. Mm, Uh, all right. Okay. So, um, all right. Anyway, today's session has been fixed for exercises, an additional complex exercise. Now we are giving one search query, which is RPA developer, plus the location, which is Bangalore, and Karnataka. So all I want to do is that you just add a collection and add two fields to it. One is job title and another field is location. And in job title, just add a couple of lines. So first one will be RPA developer, second one will be Blue Prism developer, and next one being open span developer, or just give me random RPA tools in all these lines, and the next field, which is the location, give some random location like Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Pune, Mumbai, or whatever that's suitable for you. And try. So our use case is like we have to get this value. That means the job title plus the location from the collection, go to the object. That means go to the Internet Explorer in openindeed.com, search it, get the first job back, and write it back to the collection. So collection, you should put one more field. So the first field will be job title, second will be location, and the next will be the results. So you paste the job title there in the results field. All right, and keep on adding to each and every row to the appropriate job title that you're searching for. Right, so get the values from the collection, search it, write back values back to the collection. All right, have you got our question? So in we are giving input as collection and we are getting back output to the collection. So all you have to do is you have already captured the first job, so you don't actually need any capturing operation right now because we already have job one title. So all you have to do is read and put it back to the collection. All right, so this will be the last exercise that we'll be doing with the collection and the lobe. So make sure you be thorough with the collection. Let me know if you have any questions with the exercise which I just shared. It's pretty simple if you're good in the collection. It's
So
okay
we
if
have
you're
to
if you're having any doubt, I can clarify you.
use a one collection only.
Yeah, only one collection. You have to read from that collection and write back to that collection itself.
Okay, so I think what I understood is that we have to give in the collection, we have to give some values, predefined values, hard-coded values, and then in the output section of the collection we have to write back.
It's been re-established. Let me know if you're able to hear me. Hello, Arun, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, there's some sort of interruption in between. Yeah, please proceed with your question.
Yeah, I was saying that as you confirm that we have to use one collection only. So my understanding is that we have to give some hard code value as in the input section, and we have to write into the output using collections.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. So we will just follow the process. All right. The
Okay, I will try
input that
because
you predefined in the
hmm,
function.
maybe I will be able to do, I think, by day after tomorrow, because I have to install the Blue Prism also. And new files have been shared by Trainingbees, so I have to install that.
And so we'll discuss in detail in the tomorrow session for the first 10 minutes because we have to close this collections, loops, and the objects and the web design objects in today. So we'll try to close tomorrow within 10-15 minutes for the tomorrow session. And please make sure that you do it before tomorrow session so that we can move forward.
Okay.
Yeah. If anyone is working on the VM or the tool, Blue tool, let me know if they have any questions on the exercise that I just provided so that I can help you with the same. Hi guys, hope everyone is doing the exercise. I'm still online, waiting for your queries and questions. If you have any, please give me a shout. I'll clear the same. ഇങ്ങനെ അധികം കാശ് തന്നെ കിട്ടും. ഏത് വണ്ടി? എഴുതുന്നുണ്ട്. നല്ല മേടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് ബെൻസേ ഉള്ളത്, കുറച്ചുകൂടെ അടുത്ത് മേടിക്കും. ബെൻസ് നോക്കണം. ഒരു പ്രായമായ ഡ്രൈവർ. ഞാനും എടുക്കാം. ഉം. ഉം. എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഒറ്റയടിക്ക് നടന്നു. എന്ത് പിന്നെ പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച ഏട്ടാ പൊന്നാച്ചിന്റെ അസുഖമൊക്കെ മാറി മേടിക്കാകുമ്പോ ഇളക്കൊണ്ട് കൊടുക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അവിടെയും ഇളക്കൊണ്ട് കൊടുക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ആദ്യം പോയി അമ്പലത്തിൽ. മ്യൂട്ട്. Sorry guys for the noise from my side. I'm online and waiting for your doubts or queries. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the chat box.
Yeah, Raj, this is Venkat.
Yes, Venkat, yes. Please.
Yeah, Raj. Actually, Naveen has had sent the software to Naveen. So while he is
Okay.
installing, he faces a issue regarding something. That can you please resolve it?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Is Naveen online?
Yeah, I will make Naveen on like a presenter so that you can see the issue
Okay.
exactly what it is.
Okay, okay. Let me see that.
Naveen, are you there? Naveen, am I audible, right?
Yeah, Venkat, you're audible. I can hear you.
Yeah, Raj, are you able to see the screen, right? So
Hello.
Naveen, did you reinstall the Blue Prism thing?
Yes, yes, sir. I reinstalled. I tried to do it for 2 to 3 times, but the issue is same.
Okay. So try now just upload the this license once. The given key is already installed in this environment. Okay. So it is saying it's already there. Okay. So you had like deleted this application from control panel, right?
Yes, yes. I installed that like that way.
So like go to services once. Again, please
Yeah.
close the Blue Prism.
Are you
I
closing
want you
the
to
sense
close the
stop
application.
the book?
Close the application.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now please start the services. Well, service on local computer started and then stopped. Some service they are not in use by other services programs. Okay. Can you please refresh this one once?
Restart.
Can you hear me? I lost my audio. Uh, so I can see the services section right now on the screen.
Yeah.
Right, what's actually the issue over here?
I mean, try to like decrease the TV volume. Say it's like a disturbance over there.
Yeah, sure, sure. Go to register.
Raj, if you see that, so the actual problem is that he had already installed the license and everything. Raj, I'm clear, right?
Yeah, you're clear. I can see the error.
So this is the issue that Blue Prism server service has local computer started and then stopped. Some services stop automatically if they are not in use by other services. I think you're already seeing that. Raj, are you there?
Sorry, there's some frequent disconnections. All right. So can you show me the tool instead of this error, please? The Blueprism server is actually stopped right now. Can you show me the tool, please?
Naveen, before starting the services, your time need to be passed. You need to run the time in past.
Yeah,
Keep the time
yeah.
in past.
Before the installing,
Like keep it in past timings.
just a second.
Okay, now try to restore the services once. I think after uninstall the software, you did not restart the server, right? System, right?
No, 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 no.
Restart the system required most of the cases. Anyway, Raj, you please communicate with Mr. Raj. Raj, you please go ahead.
Okay. By any chance, can you give me the control?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
I
Raj.
have the keyboard mouse, but I'm not able to see your screen. It's showing white color, organizer,
Yeah.
and all those stuff. Yeah, yeah, now I can see. Okay, and on. Okay, not able to click on these buttons. Can you close this and open the tool?
Yeah, sure.
Open the tool. Close the
Yes,
services.
yes.
Open the tool.
Okay, the server is running. Please sign in. All right, go to system. System. Okay, the license has not been activated. Hold on for a second. Starts and expires because the license I think it's got expired. The expiry date is 7/10/2017, and let me see your system time. What's your VM time? VM time, date and time?
March 2017.
March, March 19.
March. Okay, so it is supposed to work, but the license is not. Um, can you retry loading the license? I think uh,
Yeah, sure. Yeah, done, Raj, but same issue.
it did, but okay.
One thing, just click on the install new licenses in the downside.
So it's showing the actual date. So you can see besides the uh, sign out button, I can see previous 23/10/2016.
I think,
It has already taken the date. I'm not sure.
yeah, it's already taken the date. That is the reason. Definitely, you need to restart the system once, I think.
Okay, try restarting the system. It's due to the license issue that the
Yes, yes.
tabs are inactive. So
Remove that.
once it
Once remove that,
picks up the license,
remove that. Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Like you need to restart it. Restart it once
okay, okay,
and come
yeah,
back. We'll check it out. Okay. Don't do anything.
okay,
Just come back. Okay.
okay.
don't have any questions on the exercises. So, so the session is currently over. So we are actually fixing the Blue Prism installation problem. So if you don't have any questions, we can leave the session right now, and we'll meet in the session for tomorrow. And tomorrow will definitely be the so please find out what to tell.
Raju, voice is completely breaking. Raj, just a second. Raj, your voice is completely breaking where we are not able to hear anything. Raj, are you there?
Guys, are you able to hear me now? Because I can hear whatever on the other side. So I was telling like today's session is over. Tomorrow advanced that is dynamic spying, dynamic capturing, and all those stuffs. So uh, if you don't have any questions, you can actually leave the session for now while we fix the installation problem here. Thanks for joining us. See you on the class.
Raj,
Raj, yeah, Venkat, please go ahead.
just a second. Sorry for interrupting you guys. Raj, please seriously work on your internet connection because your voice is completely breaking. So from tomorrow session, please seriously work on your internet connection where your voice is completely, it's not like sometimes it's completely breaking on. Okay?
Okay, Venkat. So what happened from tomorrow? There's a lot of issues happening with this network. I'll change it tomorrow.
Please, because it's like a lot of disturbance from the back end where you cannot even they concentrate upon the class event. Okay? So please
All right, yeah,
check it out.
yeah. Sure, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Another please.
Raja, I had one doubt regarding the exercise you're given. Like if I'm reading the in the read stage, if I'm trying to, can I read more than two values or three values for different labels?
Yep, you can read. So for one label, you are reading the value from of that label, right? So what other
Yeah,
value
yeah.
do you want from that label?
Like for the first, like I have given for the first job opening, I want the first value as the job profile, job description, and the second one I want the company name. So I want to store it in two different variables, like I was doing earlier. So if I want to go to the
Okay.
second job description, so can I read it in the same stage, or do I need to add another read stage? I just wanted to ask this.
Just add a next read stage because
Yeah, yeah,
that will be better. Yeah,
yeah,
because
yeah,
you have to
because
add
it
it to
was
the extra.
because it was overlapping for me, so that's why I wanted to confirm that adding a bit next read stage would be a better option, I think so.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yes, add it to the next stage. So this exercise is
Mm.
element,
Sorry,
everything into
uh,
one.
sorry, Raj, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat it again?
So, tomorrow tomorrow we'll reduce everything to one items, one trade stage, one element, and everything to one.
Mm. Uh, Hi, Raj, can you repeat it again? Sorry, your voice was breaking.
You know,
Okay. Oh, okay, I'll try it on my end and I'll let you know if I face any issues tomorrow.
okay, Anuradha. Yeah, thanks for that. So I just typed it on the text chat box. If you could see that, I really want to change the network. Tomorrow I'll do that so that there won't be any discussions like this tomorrow. That's all for the best.